Derek with Eliminex. We're here Christmas Day. Pest and squirrels. So this one is going to get a ride back. I caught a raccoon today. Too. I set a few traps. It's a beautiful day. I think it's like 40. It's in the high 30s. Going to be in the 40s today. I thought there were 3 traps here on the property. So this is squirrel number 5. I'm gonna check the perimeter. Make sure I don't lose anything. The day I came, it rained. Let's see if I had any traps set up in the back of the house just to make sure. I never really keep count. I just check the whole perimeter of the property and I make adjustments. So if I don't catch any animals on one part of the house, or if I start catching them on one section, I'll adjust and put more traps. So here's the sweet spot of the house. They're getting up on the power lines, so I'm gonna keep trapping here. I'm gonna check my truck to see if I have any additional traps to put out today.